You doing it, yeah? Is that live? You still recording it, yeah? Okay. What are you shaking it for? Your hook? Okay, and then we have yeah, that's alright. It's French stuff. You just hold it down and turn it off, yeah?